What? It's a gold Aventador with a Powercraft exhaust system. Gold Aventador SV. Welcome to Tokyo's lightest $30,000 exhaust Lamborghinis. It's just unbelievable how they modify Lambos here. Swarovski crystal. Come on, I'm just gonna go with the interior. Those are crystals. So cool. And we have the Brilliant exhaust. No idea if this costs 12,000 or, I mean, this Brilliant exhaust is probably like 30,000. This is cool. This is what Tokyo car spotting is about. Swarovski crystal bull on the SVJ. Does it get any crazier than this? Don't think so. Carbon, you get the green pinstriping, green calipers, of course 1 of 900 because it's an SVJ. Beautiful interior there with green stitching to match. Of course, Aventador SVJ produces about 770 horsepower, nearly the most powerful Aventador just before the Ultima. Oh, Diablo! That's a Lambo Murcielago LP650. This is so cool. This is the car, LP650-4. I think they only made like 50 of these. One of the rarest iterations of the Lamborghini Murcielago, whatever you call it. Oh my gosh. Oh, please. Please deliver it. We got the lowrider here. That is so cool. Oh, the doggy! Dude! Gosh, this is insane. We've got that chrome red in the wheels. Is this another Aventador? Something sounds cool. Oh, here we go. Dude, the flashing lights and everything. That color is insane. Look at this lineup. Got the Powercraft exhaust system. Very cool color. Flashing lights. I think it's a 1016 Industries carbon bonnet. Wow. Check out the gold in this. What? This Huracan looked like it was floating. Look at that with the doors up, billionaire doors and that. That is so cool. Got Aventador doors on the Huracan. It's crazy. Got the yellow there to match the yellow calipers. These wheels, these 3-piece wheels are amazing. And this color, I really don't know what to call it. It's like a burnt copper color. Very, very cool. You can see that new door mechanism. So check out this lineup. We got the SVJ Coupe, Aventador Roadster, SVJ Roadster, Huracan Spider, Huracan Coupe, and then an Aventador S. I think that is a Roadster as well. All of which have the flashing Lamborghini lights, and all of which just look absolutely Crazy. Love to see stuff like this in Japan, and all of them have like modified exhaust systems, wheels, just crazy stuff. This thing is so clean. I'm pretty sure it's lowered. I don't know if these are Novitec wheels, but they're like extra spokes versus the standard SVJ wheels. They aren't the standard one. Got all the various little sponsors there. Powercraft exhaust system, the Pirelli tires, and then we've got, I think, what is a standard Lamborghini gold, then with chrome gold pinstriping everywhere. Like a lot of these gold Aventador SVJs, they've got the white in the interior. This paint just glistens in the light. Carbon fiber, of course, draped everywhere. And yep, there's the Powercraft exhaust system. One of the best sounding exhaust systems, like Powercraft and Frequency Intelligence have to be my favorite. And the Italian flag there to match the Italian flag on the side. This thing looks so good under the lights. Look at those Swarovski crystals just glistening. Wow. The sound out of that. I think that's Powercraft. That is the best sounding car in the world. Oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. But look at the carbon fiber work in this thing. Powercraft exhaust system. Crazy wheels. And then this color, this gold is amazing. And then 60th anniversary, because this year, 2023, is 60 years of Lamborghini. A last look at the beautiful, craziest Lamborghinis of Tokyo. That was a completely impromptu meet. I just love, you keep stumbling upon stuff like that in Tokyo. I was just looking at the Valkyrie in the Aston showroom, and then the gold Aventador I spotted earlier came past, and yeah, it all started from there.